Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channelo faidi chengtini nalinai ICAR Research Complex for NES Region Tripura Center obongkha Indian Council of Agriculture Research je Lembucherra je tongmani ICAR aro katal job notification faidi cheng abonoti nalinai obongkha bongni website norok oro thangai naima no bongni website ni address kha obo tripuraicr.nic.in thangmani pore bongni page open nai orono kaisa left side norok nugimano job opportunity hini kaisa option tongo oro click khadi click khamani pore norok oro nugimano work interview for YP1 and technical assistant on August 2021 faidi cheng notification pura nalenai click khadi takhwk bwkhwk cheng pura notification nalene eligible candidate are invited to appear for work interview for the following post to be held in the office of the joint director ICAR Research Complex for NES Region Tripura Center Lembucherra West Tripura at 11 am on 10th August 2021. Interested persons may submit their biodata enclosing all self-attested testimonials in PDF format by email to this email ID icar.tripura.recruit@gmail.com on or before 4th August 2021. After screening all the documents, the selected applicants will be called for interview on 10th August 2021, which will be informed on applicant's mobile number by email. However, candidates are hereby asked to strictly follow the advisories and SOPs regarding COVID-19 during the interview session. Takhwk bwkhwk ojob ni bagai work interview nai jara interest tonerok borok no koyo je noni biodata ready khadi aboni pore logi jotono ni documents tomani abono self attested khadi khaiman pore abono PDF file salamani pore bongni email address noni je biodata tai documents rok rihodi bongni email address before 4th August ni sekang hora nangane aboni pore jara interview bagi jara shortlisted engnai rok borongno bongni mobile number haikai email shahor jagane faidi cheng qualification tai post ni bumoro naline post ni bumong angkha young professional want vacancy tongo kaini tai obongkha project AI NRP onion and garlic ni bagai tai oboni bagai qualification nangnai B.Sc in Agriculture haikai Horticulture with 60% marks nangnai borok desirable ro MB Science experience in Horticulture crop management tai job ni bagai age limit kha minimum 21 years tai maximum kha 45 tai relaxation tongo as per the rules job ni bagai borok salary nai 25,000 per month ta kaisa post tongo post ni bomong kha technical assistant vacancy kaisa no takhwk bwkhwk obongkha project ni mong faidi nalene DBT maize project on popularization of biofortified maize hybrids in Himalayan state and central India with special reference to northeastern region for sustainable nutritional security. Tai obone bagai qualification nangnai M.Sc in Agronomy and 1 year experience in relevant field desirable rejangnai. tai oboni bagi bo same no age limit minimum 21 years IK maximum 45 years relaxation as per the rules tai oboni bagai borok salary nai 20,000 khai te plus 8% HRA tai aboni pore chengnale na terms and condition ok tongmani the appointment is purely temporary time bound contractual and co-terminus nature for a specified duration not exceeding the duration of the project notwithstanding the duration of the project the appointment may be discontinued at any time by issue of 1 month's notice in case of unsatisfactory performance or any administrative reasons. The incumbent is expected to carry out a part of the project objectives independently and or to assist the scientists and other workers. As per recruitment, no TADA fare is permissible for attending the interview. Candidates fulfilling the qualification and attending the interview are advised to produce original certificates along with their biodata, one passport size photo and self-attested copies of certificates at the time of interview. The undersigned reserves the rights to cancel, postpone the interview without assigning any reason. Takhwk Sebwk obongkha boni terms and condition borok oro sahoje obongkha purely temporary job time bound contractual tai obo je kuno time nongno disqualified khaimono jodi ning performance jodi hamyanga ke tai oboni bagai kuno TADA rezaglak interview attend khainani bagai Takhwk Sebwk o job ni bagai norok fulfill qualification milan nangnai tai norok yafaro o interview ni bagai na thango noni original documents lang thangdi tai biodata tai passport size photo tai self attested copies of certificates bo talangi thangdi takasya borok or shoyo je o job ni bagi borok anytime cancel ron khaimano ba postpone ron khaimano kuno reason sarano Takhwk Sebwk o job ni bagai ashakno belai kheno hambai tai share khadi noni sinijak borok no belai kheno hambai Khwlwmkha